Okay, hello and good day everyone. No, so today we are going to discuss about the linear function. No, actually para lang review na lang to pero medyo in-upgrade lang natin ng konti about linear expressions. Okay, so linear function is a function can be expressed as f of x equal to mx plus b. So ito yung magiging standard form ng linear function where m and m are real numbers. No, yung m natin tsaka yung b are also real numbers. And m is also known as the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. Okay? Kasi itong form na to, ito yung tinatawag na slope-intercept form. Okay? Ginagamit din siya as the standard form for linear function. Okay? So here examples, no, f of x equals to 3x plus 5, no? So yung m natin dyan is 3, yung b natin is 5. Another one, y equal to x minus 3. So yung m natin dito is 1, yung b naman is negative 3. Okay? Another one, we have y equal to negative x minus 3, no? Your m here is 1, negative 1, your b is negative 3. Okay? The function is linear if the highest degree is 1. So, yun ang isa sa mga palatandaan natin, no? If the highest degree of the function is 1, then that function is a linear function. Okay? Here, no? F of x equals to 3x plus 5. Okay? As you can see, yung highest degree ng function na to is 1. Okay? Therefore, this one is a linear function. Okay, what about if we have f of x equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4? Okay, what is the degree here? No? The degree of this function is 2. Therefore, since 2 yung degree niya, this function is not linear function. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na quadratic function, not a linear function. Okay? So, dapat walang exponent na 2, 3, or kahit anong number sa x natin. No? Walang naka-indicate na mga exponents. Okay? Yan ang linear function. Okay. Examples of not linear function. Ito yung mga examples. We have f of x equals to x squared minus 4. Now, yung mga hindi linear, ha? Kaya ito nakalagay, not linear function. Another one, we have f of x equals to the square root of x minus 4. Hindi siya linear kasi nga, if we get the exponent of x, that is 1/2. Kasi nga, may radical sign tayo. Another one, we have f of x equals to 1 over by x minus 4. Not a linear function also. Why? Kasi yung x natin nasa denominator. Meaning to say, yung exponent niya dyan, no, kapag nire-write natin into this form, magiging negative 1. So, dapat positive 1 lang. Then, we have f of x equals to y minus 4. No? Okay, not a linear function kasi nga, y yung gamit natin, no, instead of x. Another one, f of x equals to x cubed minus 4. No? Again, yung exponent ng x is 3. So, therefore, this function is not linear. Then the other one, f of x equals to x raised to negative 1 minus 4. Okay? So, those are examples of not linear function. Okay, table of values. No? So, how can we determine if the given table of values is a linear or not? Okay? Example, this one. Okay? So, to determine the given values, table of values, no? Okay, if it is linear or not, is to get the difference of y, no? Ito yung x values, yan, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Yung values naman is negative 3, negative 5, negative 7, negative 9, negative 11. So, kunin natin yung difference, no? Ibig sabihin, so subtract natin. Unahin natin yung negative 5 minus negative 3. Okay? That would be equal to negative 2. Next, negative 7 minus negative 5. Okay, that would be equal to negative 2 also. Negative 9 minus negative 7, that is negative 2. Negative 11 minus negative 9, that is negative 2. As you can see, pare-para sila ng difference of y. Therefore, this table is linear. Okay, linear siya kapag constant yung first difference in y. Next, this one, try natin, no? Okay. For the x values, we have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. For y, we have 4, 0, negative 2, negative 2, and 0. Check natin, no? Subtract. 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. Okay? Negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. O, dyan pala, makikita na natin, hindi sila constant. Negative 2 minus negative 2, that is 0. And then 0 minus negative 2 is 2. As you can see, no, hindi constant yung first difference in y natin. Therefore, this table is not a linear function. Okay? So, doon natin malalaman, no? Then, for graph naman, no? When we can say that the given graph is linear or not. Okay? So, always, no? The graph of linear function is a straight line. Straight line lang yun. Walang ibang, walang ibang graph yung linear, kundi straight line lang. Pag mayroong curve doon sa graph natin, then that graph is not a linear. Okay? Example. Ayan, straight line, no? Linear function 'yan. Another one, ito, straight line ulit, no? Slanting lang siya pero straight line pa rin. Therefore, these graphs are linear. Okay? Okay. Uses of linear function, no? So, ano yung mga applications ng linear function? Okay? Paano nga naging importante yung linear function to our daily lives, no? Best example diyan is yung calculating the speed of a moving object, especially sa mga car, no? Sa mga trucks, no? Pag kina-calculate natin yung mga speed nila, gumagamit tayo ng linear function. Okay? Then also in building infrastructures, no? Yung mga building, no? Okay, mga factories, no? Pag construct, no, ng mga buildings and factories, no? And if any infrastructures, gumagamit tayo ng linear function. Okay, and then in business, no? So automatic kasama yung business sa linear function. Syempre, the more the the product, no? Kung gaano karami, the more the workers, no, mas marami silang na ipoproduce na product. Okay? So yan, pasok yun sa linear function. Kasi nga sa linear function, once na yung isang quantity mag-increase, then the other quantity mag-i-increase din. Okay? But there are times also na once na mag-increase yung isang quantity, magdi-decrease naman yung kabila. No? Kumbaga, ano siya, mayroon siyang direct and inverse relationship. Okay? Siyempre, kung mahina naman yung benta, no, ng isang business, no, siyempre bababa rin income. Okay? Mas maraming masasayang na mga products. Okay? Kaya pasok sa business 'yan. And also for shopping and budgeting money, no? So pag shopping ka, no, namimili ka sa mga markets, no? Syempre binabudget mo yung pera, no? Syempre kung mas mura yung product, mas marami kang mabibili, no? Pero kung mas malaki yung price ng isang product, no, mas konti lang mabibili mo kasi nga budgeting ka, kumbaga binabudget mo yung pera. Pero syempre kung mas marami ka rin pera, no, kahit na gaano kalaki yung price, no, kung marami kang perang dala, mas marami ka rin mabibili, no? That is for direct relationship. Inverse, no, kapag mura yung bilihin, mas marami kang mabibili. Okay? So, yan ang mga examples, no? Mga applications of linear functions. Now, let us have an exercise. Tell whether the following is linear or not. Okay? For number 1, we have y equal to 5x minus 7. Okay, tignan lang natin yung exponent ng x, no? So, what is the exponent of x here? 1. Therefore, this function is linear. Next, y equal to 2x cubed minus 5x minus 4. Okay? By the way, class, huwag kayong malilito sa linear equation, linear function, no? Linear equation is a part of linear function. Okay? So, yung linear function, siya yung pinaka-general na, no? General concept about linear. Okay? Ang mapapansin mo pag function kapag may y sa unahan o kaya f of x. Okay? Sa linear equation kasi, there are times na x and y lang na wala sa ganitong form. Okay? Or there are times naman na x lang. Okay? Linear equation yon. Okay? Linear function, ito. Ito yung form. Laging may y o kaya f of x sa unahan. Okay? Next, number 2. Y equal to 2x cubed minus 5x minus 4. No? Tignan natin yung exponent ng x dito, may 1. Pero pagdating sa 2x cubed, meron siyang 3 na exponent. Therefore, this function is not linear. Okay? Number 3, table of values, no? For x values, we have negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0. For y naman, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Na-subtract natin para makita natin kung nagre-represent ba siya ng linear function or not. Okay, 6 minus 4, that is 2. 8 minus 6, that is 2. 10 minus 8, that is 2. 12 minus 10, that is also 2. As you can see, constant, therefore, this table is linear. Okay? Represents a linear function. Next, okay, graph naman for number 4, no? As you can see, meron tayong curve line here, no, sa graph natin. Ito naman yung tinatawag na parabola. Okay? So yung parabola is not a graph of linear function. Sabi ko kanina, straight line lang. Since may curve line dyan, this graph is not a linear function. Okay? Next, number 5. Now, as you can see, may straight line tayo dito, slanting. No? Therefore, this graph is linear function. Okay? So,
Thank
that's
you
it.
for
No?
listening.
So, thank you for
Again,
listening.
do not
And again,
forget to answer the exercises below, no? And then
okay?
paki-wait sa sa quiz natin to be follow yung assignment tsaka yung quiz. Okay, that's
Okay.
all and goodbye.
Okay, no?